Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I have some fantastic things for you guys. And it's some of my favorite things, food. Okay, this box I'm about to show you guys is so stinking cute. Such a great idea, especially for the times that we're in right now. I know, and not just with the times we're in right now, but I know that a lot of grandparents aren't able to see their grandchildren in person right now because of everything that we're going through. In my instance, my mom lives in Montana and I live in Oregon, so she doesn't get to see the kids as much. So this box is so perfect and just a cute little thing for grandmas to do for their grandchildren. This is called the Gramma in a box. And this is what it comes like. This is what it looks like. It's got these cute little stickers. It has a best buy date because there is food in here that is perishable. But this got to me in like 3 days. It came so quick. It's best by August 13th. So still a lot of time left. And we're going to crack into this right now. And we're going to make the cookies together. So stay tuned.
I gave you my heart.
Alrighty, we are breaking into this bad boy. I cannot wait. I did look around on their Instagram a little bit at this box, and what I saw, so stinking cute. Like with this box, anybody can be a baker artist. Is that what it's called? A baker artist? I don't know. Anyways, this is what the box looks like. So cute. It's just what it says all the way around the edge. Comes nicely sealed. Sorry, you guys, I'm super shiny. I just got done doing a highlighter review. Okay, that's all right. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, let's slice into this bad boy. Okay, when you open her up, this is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. And then we're gonna take out all of the recipe cards. Wow. And there is all of our stuff that we need to make this awesome box happen. Okay, let me read some directions. Okay, so I read some directions. First of all, you can get this box as low as $20 per month, free shipping. And Grandma does all the work and you have all the fun. Start making memories today. And there's that cute little picture right there. And I will have the website linked down below for you guys. And then we have this card right here, August 2020. The theme for August is Under the Sea. Welcome to the August Grandma in a Box. This month we have 3 new projects, including baby shark pops, clams with pearls, and sea life cookies with frosting and sprinkles. I'd love to see how your treats turn out, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cookie and candy crafts from Grandma. Be sure to read through all 3 project cards before you start. You can also watch my step-by-step YouTube videos by going to YouTube and searching Grandma in a Box August 2020. I am working on a fun theme for next month. If you already subscribed, thank you. If not, the deadline is September 3rd for the next box, as we ship the first week of every month. Thank you for helping us grow. Grandma Terry. So we're going to go through the products, and then I'm going to read through the ingredient cards to myself just to see what we all need, and then we will start cooking together. So, first of all, I found some marshmallows. 6 marshmallows? Yes, 6 marshmallows. We have a whole entire bag jam full of vanilla wafers. 12 vanilla wafers. Oh, yum. And these are one package of melting chocolate. Oh, little eyes, I think. Yep. 6 white pearl sticklets and 12 candy eyes. And then we have purple sprinkles. And we have like a peachy colored sprinkles. And a blue colored sprinkles. And then we have some different colored goldfish. Some white pearl sprinkles. Some graham cracker crust. A package of blue frosting already in the piping bag. A package of yellow frosting already in a piping bag. Then we have some assorted cookie shapes. And some more cookie shapes in the shape of some fish. More frosting in like a peachy pinkish color. We have some cake pop sticks. And some wax paper. Wow. All of this for $20? Oh my goodness. Alrighty, you guys, I'm going to read over the instruction cards really quick and I will be right back. Okay, so for the first project, we are going to do the baby shark pops. And what we will need for that one is the marshmallows, the goldfish, the graham cracker crusts, the melting chocolate, those cake pops. And then from my home, I'm going to grab a plate, a bowl, and a spoon. I'm going to go melt this chocolate, and then I will be back here with you guys to do the project. I also wanted to let you guys know something I thought is really awesome coming from a mom that has children with allergies. There's ingredients to every single item on the back of the project card. So I thought that was super awesome and very thoughtful and just an extra mile she went that she didn't have to. That is just really nice and thoughtful. So I'm gonna go get this stuff ready and I will be right back. Okay, so we got our melted chocolate right here. And we gotta work quickly so it doesn't harden. But we got our teal chocolate. And then we got our graham cracker crumbs right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this stick right here. We're going to dip it into the chocolate. I'm going to hurry and get these marshmallows open. Sticky. Okay, marshmallows. I'm going to take the chocolate and stick it inside there. And then you're going to take this and stick it into the chocolate. Getting it halfway up the marshmallow. And then you're going to stick this and dip it into the graham cracker crumbs. And then you're going to take the little fishies and place them on here. And those are the baby sharks. And there we have our cake pop. I'm going to make the rest of these really quick and I will be right back. Okay, now that those are all done and they're sitting aside to set, I still have a lot of chocolate left and a lot of graham cracker crust left. So I feel like if you wanted to make a few extra, if you were to grab some, I'm sure everybody's got some marshmallows in their cupboard somewhere and some toothpicks, you could make more. So that's just an idea. Another thing I really, really like about this box is there are 3 different projects in here. And coming from a mother's point of view, that's 3 different activities to keep your children occupied during these times. So I think that's super awesome. All right, let's move on to the next project. So I completely misspoke. We will be using the leftover chocolate from project number 1. So now that makes sense, and now it makes sense why she said to read through all the project cards before starting. So, starting off with this one, what we will need is the wafer cookies, the white pearls, and candy eyes, and the container of white sprinkles, along with the leftover melted chocolate, and a knife or a toothpick, but I do have my little spoon right here, so that should work. We're going to take 2 of the wafers and spoon a dollop of chocolate on the flat side of both the wafers. And I'm actually going to make them on this plate right here because here's a little sandy beach. And that's kind of how they're pictured, is with the leftover graham cracker crust. So I'm going to make one with you guys, and then I'll finish up the rest off camera. Okay, I'm going to put a dollop on here. Spread that around. And a dollop right here. Then we're going to take one of the pearls. We're going to put that right in the middle and then angle this clam head to make it look like an open clam mouth right there. Perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so fun. Look at how cute those little guys are. Those ones are a little camera shy. There we go. Oh, those are adorable. How freaking cute. I would have never have thought to do that. All right, so that is our little clam with pearls. I made a little bit of a mess over here. We're not gonna mind that. So project number 2, that was a lot of fun. Now on to our final project over here. This is the Sea Life cookie decorating. We're gonna pull out our separate piece of wax paper over here. We're gonna put the lid back on these guys because I dumped them already. So first we're going to knead the frosting in these bags, warm it up a little bit, get it moving around, mix it up. That one's pretty good already. It's really hot in my house, so they've probably already melted on their own. I did have this in my fridge while I was camping, just to make sure everything stayed preserved, just as it came. Perfect. Alrighty. And then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to just cut them right here. But of course, you should use scissors for this part.
Two, and 3.
All right, let's get decorating. I do have to say, these are nicely packaged. One thing I definitely want to point out about this box that I think is absolutely amazing is, if you guys noticed when I've done all of these projects, not one thing came broken. Which is saying a lot because these are cookies. How are you going to transport cookies and not have them come broken? I think that's outstanding. She made sure, and she took out the extra time to make sure to package these in a way that they would get to you the way that she sent them. Non-broken. Okie dokie. So I think I'm going to start off with this shell right here. And I'm going to take this peachy one. This is so much fun. So not only would it be fun for your kids, so much fun for you.
Oops.
Oh my gosh, so much fun. Alrighty, you guys. That's all I have for you guys today. I'm going to finish up the rest of these cookies. And that's all I have for you. So I will have all of the information to this box linked down below. This was a complete win for me. And coming from a parent, this would be an absolute fun and easy thing for children of all ages to do. You can't really mess it up. So I think this is super, super awesome. Thank you again to Grandma in a Box for sending this to me so I could show it to you guys. And like always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.